I'm Stephen Godfrey.
And I'm Kaylee Phillips, and we're building a new home with Keel Custom Homes, and we're super excited.
I think ultimately what led us into working with Keel and building a custom home was we just wanted the opportunity to start from scratch.
We actually met with a production builder before we decided to go with Keel. We wanted to move some rooms around or take some rooms out, and they just weren't able to do that like Keel was able to do. They also were limited in the selections that we were able to choose for the house, so we ultimately wanted to make those decisions and have it be more customizable. The subcontractors were all local, so we were able to go, to meet them locally and pick everything out. Bridget was able to come with us on all of our on-site meetings, whether it was cabinets or flooring decisions. So it was really nice being able to have her there and have that design eye that she has and help us out.
I think when you're building a home, there's a lot of detail that goes into every aspect of it. So being able to call them, text them, email them, come visit them on site at their local office was super helpful. You're always their first priority. I genuinely can't think of a time that I reached out to them where I didn't hear back from them the same day. I've always pictured my forever home with a big front porch, kind of a country style, and I fell in love with the Sanibel. And that's when we came to Bridget and said, hey, we love the outside, but we have some different plans for the inside. And she just helped us redesign the entirety of the inside. It felt like an existing floor plan once we were done.
Yeah, we were able to go to the house and do different walkthroughs, like the electrical walkthrough, which was really nice. So we were able to pick out exactly where we wanted outlets to go. We were able to change anything before, it was too late.
It gives you peace of mind as a consumer knowing that their work represents their name. And I felt like that was just extremely clear throughout the whole entire process.
An important design feature that we had was an open floor plan. So in order to create that, we took out a bedroom, which gave us this nice open loft area, which also allowed us to have floor to ceiling, a fireplace here, and gave us a lot of natural light as well.
We're coming to an end with this thing. We get all of the major utilities in for the house, so all of that is behind us. We're finishing up with tile and hardwood. We got landscaping going in. We're really excited to give you guys your dream home.
It's truly incredible. It brings our entire vision to life. It's awesome to see, and especially with the siding, the trim, and everything else that's going on the inside kind of getting installed, it makes it feel more real. And we couldn't be more excited about it.